Day 4, writing 41 songs in 41 days. I've just got this urge, I want to write a rock song. I've got a little bit of time, I've probably got about 3 or 4 hours, so I might be able to put some like drums and bass and stuff together. So I've decided I'm going to use this guitar here to do a lot of the writing for this one. This was the first proper guitar I ever got. It's just a Yamaha Pacifica. I've found it at my mum and dad's house quite recently. I should have changed strings on all my guitars before doing this challenge. Oh well, it don't matter. So day 4, rock song. Let's get cracking. I was thinking about rock bands, like, you know, famous rock songs, like AC/DC's, you know, like Long Way to the Top, Highway to Hell, Led Zeppelin, Stairway to Heaven. These all seem to be songs about having a journey and going somewhere. I've just had this thought come to my mind, like it's not a lyric or anything, but a thought. Something along the lines of, it's a long way down, so you best keep going up. I was just thinking about choruses. And the vocal will be like, a long way down, keep on climbing, and the way is up. It's the same kind of thing. Don't look down. Something like that. And just kind of talking about climbing a mountain or something like that, I don't know. Okay, so I've had ideas while out on that walk about what I want this song to turn into. So I'm just going to try and come up with something now. The basic progression, and figure out what the general idea of the riffs could be. So I think I've got something that kind of fits with the idea I had when I was on the walk. When it comes to writing rock chord progressions, I've made a video specifically on it, and I cover this in detail in a very concise way. It's a very good video, check it out. The riff kind of idea is going to be going from the A to this C into the D, and essentially the chord progression is just D to F to G. I haven't fully figured out all the vocals for that yet, but I think that is a good place to start. So you know what, I might actually open up Pro Tools and template out the song of what I want it to turn into. So that's the next step. So I think that's the parts put together, so I just need to now like actually try and structure this thing out. I think it needs a pre-chorus. Okay, so I've put a structure together. It's just weird to know that in a couple of hours I know that I'm going to have a song, and that is a really, really fun part of this challenge, just knowing that you're gonna get it done. So what I'm gonna do now is try and come up with try and put in the bass line, I think. I know I haven't played it perfectly, in fact I think there's a few mistakes in there, but I've just done the bass line, going for that AC/DC kind of chugging bass line kind of thing. I know I should start working on the vocals, but I think it's a good idea just to get this bit done, because I really want to hear how it sounds. Right. Finally onto lyrics, and I really need to go through weeds. So I might try and record the chorus first and then do the verses, just so it's done. Okay, let's do it. Chorus vocal, it's one of those where I feel like I really need to belt it out and let go, which is kind of hard. There's other people in the house, I find that hard, so I've kind of held it back but made it try and sound like I was really going for it. But for a demo, just to get the song done, I think it's a decent enough thing. But I'm just trying to write a few lyrics. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, don't turn round, just forget the past. Turning corners, all you see is black.
2 steps forward and 1 step back. Don't turn around, just forget the past. I'm turning corners, all I see is black. Now just keep going, following the path.
The verse, I actually, you know, I just kind of just did it off the cuff, and I actually quite like it. But I still now need to write a second verse. I've really just kind of fed off the first verse like I normally do, so I've gone for second verse.
Turning corners feels like going back. I'm homeward bound, can't escape the past. One step forward feels like 2 steps back. Just keep going, try and find the path.
The song is actually at a stage now where I would say it's done. That was just fun. That's all I really want to say about it. Yes, it's not perfect. Yes, there's things that could be better. But I really enjoyed myself doing that today. So check the song out. It's on the screen now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you tomorrow.